Taking massive shit on you. Sorry. Don't lie, guys. We all roleplay as birds. We pretend we're birds. All of a sudden, we're birdies. Flying through the air. It's a bird. It's a plane. Oh, no. Look, I'm flying over this ginger-ass bitch. That's not a ginger. That's blonde hair. All of a sudden, that's not even hair. That's his fucking builder hat. Chat, I can't with this shitty ass bird. Look at this fucking thing go spin on him. They see me spin. Sorry, I had to talk about. Gotta get your ID.